Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be switching it up a little bit and I'm actually going to be reviewing the new Olaplex No. 0 treatment. Now I did tell you guys a few videos ago that I did pick this up and then I was going to do a review for all of you, and of course I wanted to try the product out before I did a complete review because I think it's only fair to do that, and this way I'm going to be able to give you a better idea about the product, how it worked for me, whether I liked it or not, and what this does for your hair. But before we get right into today's video, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell, by doing so you will always be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I do upload videos every single week. Now I have talked about Olaplex many times on my channel. I have talked about No. 3 all the way up to No. 7 being the bonding oil. So I do have a dedicated video on No. 3 in particular, as well as No. 7. And I also have another video from No. 3 all the way up to No. 6 being the Bond Smoother, which is the styling cream. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, I will leave them below for you as well as up here if you'd like to check them out after this video. And I also go to a hair salon that does offer the Olaplex line as well. So whenever I go and make an appointment and I'm going lighter with my hair, I always ask my hair colorist to add the Olaplex into the bleach so that it's protecting my hair while my hair is being processed. And I do find that this really does improve my hair. It prevents breakage, damage, as well as dryness. And then of course they use the No. 2 on my hair as well, which is a treatment. Now No. 2 is very similar to No. 3, but No. 2 is a lot stronger, and that's why usually No. 1 and No. 2 are used in a salon. But today we're going to be talking about No. 0. Now this is an intensive bond building hair treatment. So this is a treatment that goes hand in hand with No. 3. Now when you purchase this, it does come in a box like this, and it does come with a little No. 3 sample size. Now this is 30 mils of product, which is 1 fluid ounce. So depending on how much hair you have, how thick it is, you may go through the full bottle in one treatment session. Now I do have fine hair. I feel like I don't need to apply a lot of product when it comes to the Olaplex line because a little bit does go a long way with their products. But again, if you have thick, coarse, long hair, you may go through the products a lot quicker than I would with having fine hair. Now when it comes to No. 0, this does not go a long way. You do need to be very generous when you're applying this to your hair. So again, if you are somebody with thick, coarse, long hair, you may only get 1 or 2 uses out of this entire bottle. But if you have short hair, you may get 2 to 3, maybe 4 uses out of this, because this is like water and you need to apply this to dry hair. So when you're applying this to dry hair, your hair just soaks it up. It doesn't spread across the hair, and you really do need to be very generous and just soak your hair really well with this. Now when I apply this to my hair, I only focused on certain sections of my hair. So you can either apply this from roots to ends and saturate your whole entire head, or you can just target certain areas of your hair that you want treated. So if you have a really healthy, oily scalp up top, but the ends of your hair is really damaged and dry, then just target the ends of your hair and maybe around your face and just treat those areas. And that's actually what I did for my very first treatment. So I've only used this one time, and as you can see here, I have this much product left. So I only used about that much there, and this is pretty full when you get it. So I would apply it from here down, as well as my bangs and around my hairline, and that is how I used No. 0. And I think that I will continue to do it this way because I'm going to get more uses out of my bottle, and these are my problem areas anyways, so I'd rather target that than use this on my entire head. But it's totally up to you on what you want to do. Just know that if you do apply this from roots to ends, you will go through this a lot quicker. So once you've applied 0 to your entire head or wherever you want it, you want to leave that on for 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes has gone by, you are then going to want to go in with No. 3 and apply No. 3 to where you applied No. 0. So for me, I would apply No. 3 from here down, as well as around my face and my bang area. And then once you've saturated your hair with No. 3, you're going to want to leave that on for 10 minutes. And then once that's done, hop in the shower, rinse your hair out, shampoo and condition like you normally would, and then follow with your normal hair care routine. And that is how you would use these two together. So you can use number 3 2 to 3 times a week if you really wanted to. And when it comes to number 0, I would probably apply this once a week or once every couple of weeks, or maybe once or twice a month, depending on the state of your hair and how healthy and damaged it is. But for me personally, I do like this product, but I don't think that it's exactly necessary to have in a hair care routine. This actually treats your hair, but it primes your hair and gets it ready for number 3. So this will allow your number 3 to penetrate deeper into your hair. And honestly, I really didn't see much of a difference when I used this with number 3. Of course, my hair felt very soft. My hair looked really shiny as well. But I get the same results when I just use number 3 by itself. I really didn't see much of a difference by incorporating number 0. That is my own personal opinion. That is what I noticed on my own hair. You may see better results. I mean, my hair isn't exactly damaged, so maybe that is why I didn't see much of a difference. But if you have very damaged, coarse, dry hair, you may think that this is incredible and that this is that magical product that is going to be in your hair care routine. So it totally depends on the person and the state of your hair, but for me personally, I really didn't see much of a difference with using this with number 3. So number 0 is going to prime your hair and intensify number 3's treatment, and it's also going to allow everything to penetrate deeper for a deeper repair. So anybody can use the Olaplex line. You can have fine hair, normal hair, thick, dry hair, you can have coiled hair, it doesn't matter. Anybody can use the Olaplex line. Now, when it comes to number 3 is really going to repair your hair, to strengthen it, to bring back the health of your hair. It's going to help with split ends, and it's going to really turn your hair around and make it healthy again. And I have gone through a lot with my hair before. I've experienced a lot of breakage from going blonder, and if you're blonde and you've been through breakage before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Your hair is like bubble gum. It's very devastating to go through, and I still go through that from time to time on my ends, especially if I'm getting my ends lightened up. I will go through that. So when that happens, I go right in with the number 3, and this really does repair my hair and build the strength back up again. And I can't say anything negative about number 3 in particular. It really is amazing, and this is the number 1 product from the entire Olaplex line that I really would recommend to pick up. This is just excellent. So even if you have normal healthy hair, you can still use this product. It's just going to make your hair healthy, it's going to really make it strong, and you're going to look incredible. I did purchase the kit at $38 Canadian, but if you'd rather just purchase number 3, then this is going to be retailed at the same price at $38 Canadian, and you are getting 100 mils of product. So it really just depends on what you're looking for and what your hair needs, but for me personally, I'm quite happy with just number 3. This one gives me incredible results, and again, I really didn't see much of a difference when I incorporated number 0 with number 3. But that is my own personal opinion and experience with using the two together, so I will not be repurchasing number 0. I will just be continuing on with number 3. So that is everything in today's video, and I will have these products linked below for you in my description box, and I will also link my other Olaplex videos for you as well, and you can also find them up here also if you are interested in watching those videos next. But thank you so much for watching. I honestly really do appreciate it, and of course I will see you all in my next video. So take care, and I will see you guys then. Bye guys.